Hello, welcome to Lutheran Community Services Remote Citizenship class. We are doing things a little bit different now since we cannot have classes in person in the classroom and our offices are also closed. We hope this class works for you. So first, you need to know how to sign up for the classes. You need to fill out the new student form on our website. You'll click here to get to our new student form. Click here to get to the new student form and fill out the information. Make sure you put your first name, your last name, your email if you have one, and phone number. Please answer the rest of the questions in the form and then click Submit. Once you've signed up for our classes and filled out the new student form, I will send you an email with information about the class. For the class, we will have 3 parts: virtual class with a teacher, tutoring with a volunteer, and website lessons on your own. The classes will be about 1.5 hours long. Tutoring is about 1 hour, and the website will take you about an hour to complete as well. So please be prepared to spend about 3.5 hours each week for the class. The class is for 12 weeks, and we hope you can come to most of the classes. You must participate in all 3 for our class, so you must do all 3 parts to be a part of our program. The first part of our class is the virtual class. This class is on a computer or your cell phone. When you fill out the new student form, we will email you the link to the classes, and the link looks like this. You choose the best day and time for you for your class, and then you click on the blue writing, and it will take you to a computer class online. Sometimes you need to download the app for the class, but the apps are free and easy to use. The class will cover reading, writing, speaking practice, and also answer your questions about the N400 application form and the civics and English tests for your interview. The next part of the class is tutoring with our volunteers. To get to the tutoring link, it's right next to the new student form, so you can click the coffee cup to get to this document, which has the links to the tutoring sessions. So we have drop-in tutoring, which means drop-in means you can go anytime. You can go to one or all of the sessions if you want to practice your English. We have tutoring sessions at different days and times during the week. So please click on the new virtual tutoring to see the schedule for classes. So just like the virtual classes with your teacher, for tutoring you just click the blue link and it will take you to the room where you can speak with one of our volunteers. This is a great way to practice your English conversation skills, study for the citizenship interview, and ask any questions you have. We want you to do at least 1 virtual tutoring hour per week. The last part of the class are the website lessons. The website has lots of different lessons, 12 lessons actually, for you to study the civics, history, and English to prepare for your citizenship test. You must complete each lesson before your weekly class. So that means if you're on week 1, you should do the online website lesson before you come to class week 1, so you know what to expect. Please take the quiz at the bottom of the page. Very important to test what information you have learned. Also, write down any questions you have and ask your teacher in class. I will go back and show you the website again. So, on our website, you will scroll down to see the different lessons. Please click on the lesson for the week that you want to study. We will have videos for you to watch. We will have reading practice for you to do. So you read the sentences and listen to the answers. So read these out loud and then check your pronunciation here. We have writing practice. Listen to the sentences. Write the sentences that you hear on a piece of paper. And then you can click here to check your answers. There are many video lessons for you. There are N400 question videos and information in the N400 application. We also have grammar practice, and finally there's always the weekly quiz. Make sure to click the weekly quiz and complete the quiz so you can test what you have learned. So don't forget to fill out the N400 application. LCSNW will file your N400 application for you. We will make the appointment for you to see an immigration counselor so we can file your N400 or application for citizenship. You will need to fill out a practice N400 application. When you fill out the new student registration form, I will send you a copy of the N400. You must print out this N400 and fill it out completely at home. Fill out every page. Put all the information on every page. When you are ready to apply for citizenship, tell your teacher. He or she will make an appointment for you. Please do not call the LCSNW office. You need to make your appointment through your teacher. That's very, very important. Everyone at LCS will get one free appointment for most students. Some students will have complex cases, such as long trips outside of the United States, criminal backgrounds, multiple marriages, or other situations where you might need a consultation fee. This consultation fee costs about $50. The appointment to file the application will be free for most students. If you have any questions, please call me or send me an email. I am happy to answer any questions you have.